These keto and carnivore biscuits are one of my most loved recipes for a reason. They're easy, satisfying, and perfect for when I'm missing bread. Now let me show you exactly how to make them. Here is everything I'm using today. I'll put the full measurements down below as well as links to where I get them. But the main goal here is a biscuit that feels comforting, easy, and satisfying. So I'm just going to throw everything into a bowl and mix until it just comes together. One thing I pay attention to here is texture. You want it to look combined and workable, but not overly mixed or too dry. This is one of my go-to recipes because it doesn't feel complicated and it gives that bread-like comfort without going back to regular biscuits. Now this is the texture I'm looking for right here. If your biscuit mixture has ever turned out too dry, this is the stage you're really going to want to pay attention to. Once the dough looks right, I scoop it onto the tray that's lined with parchment paper, and I get ready to bake it. This part is super simple, which is one reason why I make it so often. These are the kind of biscuits I can make without overthinking. Now these are ready to bake. While these cook, I already know I'm going to use some for more than just a side because they work really well in different meals. This is exactly the way I want them to look like. Golden outside, soft inside, and not dry. This is the point where I know the batch turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. The texture is what keeps me coming back to this recipe. It has a warm, comforting biscuit feel that makes keto or carnivore eating feel a lot easier. This recipe really helps when your bread cravings hit. Another reason why I love making these is it's just not a one and done recipe. You can eat them fresh, or you could turn them into breakfast biscuits, or even make them ahead for the week. That makes this recipe feel a lot more useful than something you only make once. If you try these, the biggest thing you need to pay attention to is the texture. That's what makes the difference between a biscuit that feels dry and a biscuit that feels satisfying. And if you like easy recipes that you can actually repeat, this is definitely one to keep in rotation. If you want more easy and carnivore recipes like this, subscribe and let me know what biscuit variation I should make next. I'll see you in the next one.